Mars, a frozen desert world of ancient mysteries. Driven by fierce winds, fine red dust rises high above the surface and rocky surface. When iron in the rock interacts with oxygen, a chemical reaction called oxidation begins, transforming the gray surface into a rich reddish brown.
Deep within the rock, pure iron awaits. When exposed, it oxidizes, creating the red dust that covers a whole world. Witness the evolution of the red planet.
Mars possesses an incredibly thin atmosphere. Here, the distant sun appears small. Vast clouds of fine dust fill the red sky.
Let's compare how sunlight interacts with atmospheres. Earth's atmosphere scatters blue light. Martian dust scatters red light. This creates distinct sky colors. A massive dust storm begins in a single crater. Within days, it expands to cover the entire region. Sunlight is blocked as thick dust blankets the atmosphere. Finally, a global event covers the entire planet. A massive dust storm begins in a single crater. Within days, it expands to cover the entire region. Sunlight is blocked as thick dust blankets the atmosphere. Finally, a global event covers the entire planet.
This is the red planet as we have never seen it before. Billions of years ago, vast rivers carved its surface.
Mars was once a water world. Vast rivers flowed across its surface, filling massive lakes. Today, it's a frozen desert, with water locked in icy caps.
This is Mars, the red planet. Glowing solar particles constantly batter its thin atmosphere. This solar wind shapes the planet's evolution.
Mars was not always a frozen desert. Billions of years ago, it held a thick atmosphere. This allowed liquid water to flow across the surface. Today, only a dry, thin atmosphere remains.
Earth's thick atmosphere traps the sun's vital warmth, but as we move further into the cold, Mars receives only a fraction of that solar energy, leaving it a frozen, barren desert.
Earth's thick atmosphere traps heat, but on Mars, heat escapes into space, leaving the planet frozen. Sunlight arrives at the planet. The thin atmosphere traps very little heat. Rapid heat loss causes temperatures to plummet, leaving it a frozen, cold planet. Mars hides one of the solar system's greatest secrets. This is a massive canyon system. It reveals the deep crust of the red planet.
Redefining our view of the red planet. Valles Marineris is a true planetary fracture, dwarfing Earth's Grand Canyon in both length and depth. This is the ultimate canyon of the solar system.
Towering high above the red plains lies the largest volcano in the solar system. This is Olympus Mons. Compare Earth's steepest volcanoes to the massive, gentle slope of Olympus Mons.